Evening, Browzer, your main man, Shoe Browser, man, back with an update video. This time we got a quick look at the Nike Air Foamposite Copper. Not copper, I'm tripping. Cough drop, you know what I'm talking about. I did get this shoe in December when I went out of town for my anniversary. So as you see, I did start unlacing it. So you know, just want to let y'all know I did get that personal size 11. Did want these mugs. Do I have the receipt in the box? I don't have the receipt, but I did get it from Shoe Palace. So you know, quick update video. A lot of shoes coming out. I had copped a lot of stuff last year that I forgot to review. So just showing y'all, man, nice metallic paint, copper bottom, can't beat it. Ooh, shining, you know what I'm saying, with that half-cent logo. You know what I'm talking about, half-cent logo on the back, red pull tab, half-cent logo on the inside. Well, this one just has Nike Air. All right, and I think the other one probably, nope, that also got Nike Air. So look at that, you know what I'm talking about? Half-cent logo right there on the tongue. Can't beat it, man. Air Foamposite is my favorite sneaker, at least Nike basketball anyway, of all time. And Jordan 7s being my favorite Air Jordan of all time. So hey, man, Miro 7s come out in June. I can't wait, man. You already know. We go. Oh, and I paid $150 for this pair from Shoe Palace. So Shoe Palace does put a lot of Foamposites on sale. Check it out. Go.